In July 2022, I paid a short visit to the beautiful little town of Decin in the Czech Republic. It's a nice little town, but the sightseeing you can do in less than a day. People usually don't come to this area for the city, but for hiking in the neighboring mountains. When you get there, you can pretty much forget about conversing in English. If people know another language than Czech, it will most likely be German. I met one young lady who spoke really good English, but other than that, pretty much forget about it. The city is literally right next to Germany, and some people commute between the two countries. Here are some impressions.